Hey everyone, it's Jeremy with the McDonald Mortgage Team, your local mortgage heroes. So this is one of my favorite videos of the Mortgages 101 series. So here we're going to talk about the do's and don'ts of the home buying process. So this is easily the most important video, and I definitely would recommend that you watch it a couple of times, maybe even save it as well. So we'll start out with the do's because that's a little bit of a quicker list. So the do's. You want to continue to make sure that you pay all of your bills on time. If you have a mortgage right now, continue to pay it on time. If you have rent, continue to pay it on time. So you want to make sure that you stay current with all accounts. You also want to keep working for your current employer. I know you might have this tempting offer, but let's hold off until you get closed on your home. So keep working with your current employer. Keep living at your same place. You don't want to move, whether it's onto a friend's couch or anything. You want to stay where you're at. And you just want to kind of keep your credit as normal. So now we're to the list that's a little bit bigger, the do not list. So don't make any major purchases. Now is not the time to buy a new car or boat. Definitely not a yacht either, had that happen. So no major purchases like that. And you don't want people pulling your credit, especially in other fields. So I know that you might see that Ashley Furniture or Rooms to Go is having a big sale, but you want to hold off on that. Let's get you closed first before you have any new credit inquiries or open any new accounts. Also, when we're talking about credit, there's no need to pay collections off. That actually typically hurts your scores, as well as paying off any installment loans or closing any revolving credit without a balance. Those are all things that are going to drop your credit scores. So you don't want to do that. So no major purchases, kind of leave your credit alone. Transferring money from one account to a next, even if it's yours, try not to do that. Every single time you transfer from one account to the next, we have to verify that. So it can get a little bit annoying and you might think that we're being picky, but unfortunately the federal government does not play around when it comes to money, and we have to know exactly where everything came from. So in addition to that, cash deposits. Don't sell stuff for cash. If you have to sell something, sell it on SwipSwap or Craigslist, use a bill of sale, screenshot the conversation of the person that's going to buy it, do an official bill of sale, and have them get you money orders or a cashier's check, not cash. Sending you money with something like Cash App or Zelle would be acceptable, or even Venmo. So also, don't co-sign for anyone on any loans whatsoever, and don't max out your credit cards. So right before closing, and the underwriter will do a soft credit check just to make sure that you've not opened any new accounts or had any major credit events. So if there's something crazy that does come up, please let me know. And if you've started packing, that's cool. Make sure that any very important documents, any official documents, you just kind of either put them in a box where you know where it's at and leave it accessible, because we could have something that we might need from you that we weren't expecting. And instead of having to dig through everything, it would be so much easier if you know where that's at. So I know this is a long list. This is a lot of information here. If you have any questions, please let me know. But for now, that is the do's and don'ts of the home buying mortgage process. Hope you're having a great day, and I look forward to speaking with you.